Ah, ants, those amazing social insects. They live together in these big groups, which we call colonies. Inside a colony, everything is, well, very organized. Ants play such an important role in nature. They're vital for the environment, helping to keep the soil healthy and even spreading plant seeds. Their presence often indicates a good, thriving ecosystem. This tiny world beneath our feet is full of purpose. The ant life cycle. It all starts with eggs. The queen ant, she's the one who lays these eggs. She's the mother of the entire colony. A queen can lay thousands of eggs during her life. Some queens will lay only a few eggs each day, while others can lay many hundreds daily. The eggs are tiny, usually oval, often white or a pale yellowish color. The queen carefully places them in the safe parts of the nest in special chambers designed for the young. The location for egg laying is crucial. The area must be warm enough and sufficiently humid to help the eggs develop properly. Worker ants often assist the queen with this task, moving the eggs to the very best spots and keeping them meticulously clean. This prevents fungus or mold from growing. The survival of these eggs is crucial for the colony, ensuring the future generation of the ant society. The egg stage, it's absolutely crucial for the colony. Without eggs, there would be no new ants and the colony wouldn't grow. Eventually, it might even die out completely. The health and number of eggs laid are significant. The queen's role as the egg layer is truly vital. She ensures the continuation of her ant lineage and secures the ongoing prosperity of her colony. Each egg is a tiny spark of future life. After a few days, or sometimes weeks, a larva hatches. This larva emerges directly from the ant egg. The timing depends on the specific ant species, and the surrounding temperature greatly affects this hatching time. Ant larvae look very different from adult ants. They're typically small, soft, and white, much like tiny worms or little grubs. They don't have any legs at this stage, so they can't move around the nest by themselves. Their primary focus during this stage is to eat and grow. Larvae are completely dependent on worker ants for care. The diligent worker ants bring them all their food. Ant larvae are known for being extremely hungry, needing to eat a great deal to grow quickly. Workers feed the larvae using a mouth-to-mouth method called trophallaxis. The food is often pre-digested by the workers, making it easier for the larvae to consume and absorb necessary nutrients. What the larvae are fed can be very crucial. The diet can determine their future adult form and role. Some specific larvae receive special protein-rich food, developing into new queens. However, most larvae grow up to become worker ants. The workers in charge carefully control the food distribution, keeping the colony well balanced with the right number of different ant types. The larval stage is all about rapid growth. As the larva grows, it sheds its outer skin several times, a process known as molting. Each molt allows the larva to expand in size. This intense development requires a constant food supply. The health of the larvae is vital for the colony, representing the future workforce and reproductive potential. Strong, well-fed larvae will mean a strong, thriving colony. Workers tirelessly ensure these young receive the best possible care. When a larva has grown large enough, it enters a new phase, the pupal stage. During this time, it stops eating completely and becomes much less active. Some ant species will spin a silken cocoon around themselves, while others do not, and are referred to as naked pupae. This entire period is one of incredible internal biological change. A true marvel of nature unfolds within the nest. Inside the cocoon, or as a naked pupa, an amazing change happens. The larva's body completely reorganizes its structure, transforming from its previous worm-like grub shape into the familiar adult ant form. This remarkable biological process is called metamorphosis, quite similar to how a caterpillar changes into a butterfly. All the adult features like legs, antennae, and a clearly segmented body begin to take shape now. The pupal stage can last for a number of days or weeks, depending on the ant species and ambient temperature. Pupae do not eat anything during this time, relying entirely on the energy stored during their larval stage. Worker ants continue to provide care, moving them to areas with optimal temperature and humidity, keeping them clean and protecting them from any dangers. The colony's future adults are carefully guarded. This stage acts as a crucial bridge, connecting the young larval form to the adult ant. It's a period of intense internal development and change. Although the pupa may seem inactive on the outside, incredible biological processes are constantly occurring within. The successful completion of this pupal stage ensures that a fully formed adult ant will emerge, soon joining the colony's active members, contributing to the workforce, or rarely reproducing. Finally, the fully formed adult ant emerges from its pupa, carefully breaking free from its pupal case or cocoon. Newly emerged adult ants are often lighter in color, their bodies quite soft at this initial stage. These young, soft-bodied adults are known as callows. It takes a few hours or sometimes days for their exoskeletons to harden and their bodies to darken to their mature color. Worker ants often help these new adults to emerge. If a cocoon is present, workers might carefully cut it open. This marks the true beginning of their contribution to colony life. The vast majority of adult ants in a colony are workers, generally sterile, non-reproducing females responsible for performing all the jobs in the colony. They build, maintain and repair the nest, gather food, provide care for the queen eggs, larvae and pupae, and defend the colony from threats. Worker ants are truly the backbone of the entire ant society, their tireless efforts keeping the community functioning smoothly. The queen ant is distinctly different from the workers, usually the largest ant within the colony. Her most important job is to lay eggs, ensuring the colony continues to grow and replacing ants that die. A queen can live for a surprisingly long time, some recorded to live for over 20 years. She is the mother to all, or at least most of the ants. Her health and reproductive success are critical for the colony's long-term survival. The ant life cycle is a wonderful and intricate system, demonstrating amazing cooperation and efficiency. Each of the 4 stages is vitally important for success, from the tiny, vulnerable egg to the busy adult ant. The queen lays the foundation for the entire colony. The larvae focus on growing strong and healthy, the pupae undergo their incredible transformation, and the workers maintain and operate the entire system. This highly organized life cycle allows ant colonies to thrive, prospering in many different environments all over our world. Ants are truly masters of complex social living and organization.